heading to the beach to do our morning walk. It's before sunrise. Pasko na, kaya malamig at mahangin na. Gawin na ang Bermuda. Last week wala pang grass yun. How lucky are we to be living here in Oslo? Ayan na, beach na. Parang kagagaling lang natin sa beach, tapos uuwi rin tayo sa beach. Look what we found near the beach. This is Kundol. Actually, this is the first time in my life I've seen Kundol. It's like, parang it's like, ano pala, Madol, Patol. Pero never ba nakakita? So, hinog na ba yan? Hindi pa. Sino kaya nagtanim? Oh, grabe itong mga lang basta. Nice. Grabe, the weather. The sun has supposedly risen na, pero hindi talaga siya nagpakita. Oh. Sobrang dark ng clouds. That's Sikihor. And then this is Bohol. And this is Oslo. So we will do our grounding somewhere. Whoa, where did it go? Wow. What bird?
Brahmini kite.
Brahmini kite.
1, 2, 3.
What are you trying to do?
Exercise. Okay, game. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God! Akala ko magmo-moonwalk ka or something. Grabe.